Now we are going to add the logo to the headers instead of just typing the text header. So now we back to the header and go back to the component, and we replace this with image components from NextJS. So we type image source, and then we type the link, and we just copy the link from the Instagram. So we paste to here, and then we type the layout is equal to view, and the object feed is equal to contain, and then we close the image tag, and then on the top we are going to import the image from next image and save it. Now we take a look on our website, and you can see it said that the host name is not under the config file. So we need to copy this name, and then we go back to our project and go to create a new file called next.config.js, and under this we type module.export, and then we type image, and then we type domain, and then we paste the domain name at here and save it. And now you can see this word find a change in next.config. So we start to see the change in the effect. So we have to stop the server, and then we type yarn dev, and then we stay on the port 3002, and then we back to here, and there is a typo that we have to add the S here, and now we save it, and we also restart the server, and then we go to refresh the page, and now you can see the errors gone and the Instagram logo appeared at the center. But what we want to do is make it appear on the left side, so we have to make some styles, and we back to the header.js, and we create a div to wrap this image, and then we save it. And actually this is the center bar, and which will wrap the image, the input area, and also the icons group. And just like this one, you can see this part will hold all these three things, and so we want to justify it between, and it has the maximum width of 6xl, and the margin X is 5. So if you take a look and add some background colors and save it, and now you can see it appeared at this one, and you can see the length is at the center. And now we also want to make some adjustment on the Instagram logo. We want to make it like this. So this is relatively at the left side, the leftmost side of this red bar. So we go to here to use the div to wrap this image, and we have to make this class name and position as relative, and now you cannot see it. And then we have to add the height, so we make it appear again. So the width is 24 and the height is 8. So now we save it. Now you can see the Instagram logo, and we have to delete this one. So now the red bar will take up the whole height of the header. And at last, of course, we have to delete this color. This just for teaching purpose. So we also add the inline grid and delete this red color. Now you can see the Instagram logos is at the left side, but it has some space in between.